That's the bridge. There's 11 levels in this ship. So this is how we get out. That is where we board. So I've got to meet some people out there and collect bags, which we have to pull up with a pulley because you've got to climb up a rope ladder, so you can't carry luggage when you're doing that. We're in Antarctica right now. You can see the mainland right there, rocky shoreline with snow. It's hard to get the exposure right because it's so bright. So you can see the shoreline and the barge in the background there. That is the Southern Ocean, and in the distance there's icebergs and whatnot, a few islands. Temperature is probably about -3, -4, maybe -5. So this is main deck port side. This is where we're boarding, and in the distance that is the barge. So the barge is going back and forth from the port side at the stern of the ship where our cargo is, the cranes are, and they're loading the containers onto the barge, and the barge is going to, I think right there, that's the wharf, and there you can see Casey Station. heading over to Casey Station, which is aboard the IRV and takes us off to Casey. So first, I'm going to take all my bags, have it on deck, because they're going to be taken over on a separate boat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to wear these though, as required. Survival bag comes with me. So I'll take the bags out.